Now I am going to teach lesson number 3, light. Reflection of light. So what is reflection of light? Light rays strike the reflecting surface, example mirror. They can be bounced back or returned back, is called reflection of light, or bouncing back of light rays are called reflection of light. Law of reflection. From the diagram, xy is a plane mirror. So I told already, mirror, it can reflect the light. So one side of the glass plate coated with the highly polished metal, silver, aluminum, the glass plate acts as a mirror. So from the diagram, OA incident ray, OB reflected ray, ON normal line. From the diagram, what is incident ray? A ray of light that travel towards the reflecting surface, that is mirror. That rays are called incident ray. So incident ray falls on the mirror xy at a point O. The incident light, it can be reflect. So what is reflected ray? A ray of light return backs or bouncing backs towards the plane mirror or reflecting surface are called reflected ray. So what is normal line? A perpendicular line drawn at a point of incident to xy plane mirror is called normal line. By the law of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray, normal line all lie or meet at the same point to the reflecting surface. What is meant by angle of incidence? The angle between the normal line and incident ray is called angle of incidence. So angle AON is equal to angle of incidence. What is reflected ray? Angle of reflection, or the angle between normal line and angle between normal line and reflected ray is called angle of reflection, or angle NOB is equal to angle of reflection. By the law of reflection, angle of incidence I equal to angle of reflection R. So what is incident ray? The light ray travel towards the reflecting surface are called incident ray. What is reflected ray? The light rays bouncing back from the reflecting surface are called reflected rays. What is normal line? A perpendicular line drawn at the point of incidence are called normal line N. What is angle of incidence? The angle between the incident ray and normal line is called angle of incidence, angle I. So from the diagram, angle AON is equal to angle I, that is angle of incidence. What is angle of reflection? The angle between the reflected ray and normal line are called angle of reflection, angle R. From the diagram, angle NOB equal to angle R. By the law of reflection, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal line all are lie, that is meet at the same plane. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, angle AON equal to angle NOB. So angle I equal to angle R. Two types of reflection: regular reflection, irregular reflection. Reflection from the smooth surface or polished surface is called regular reflection. So light reflect from the plane mirror is examples of regular reflection. A light reflect from the still water is examples of regular reflection. In regular reflection, obey the law of reflection, that is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Irregular reflection. Reflection takes place from the rough surface are called irregular reflection. Irregular reflection do not obey the law of reflection, that is the meaning. Angle of incidence are not equal to angle of reflection. So reflected angle is not equal to incident angle.